Imagine a city brimming with advanced technology, stunning architecture, and untold wealth. A civilization so powerful it ruled the seas, until one day it vanished without a trace. Today, we dive into one of the greatest mysteries of all time, the Lost City of Atlantis. Thousands of years ago, the Greek philosopher Plato described Atlantis as an island beyond the Pillars of Hercules, today known as the Strait of Gibraltar. According to Plato, Atlantis was home to a mighty, technologically advanced civilization. But, as with all great powers, they became greedy and corrupt. In a single day and night, the gods punished Atlantis, sinking it beneath the waves, forever lost to history. But was it just a myth? Or was Atlantis real? Some believe Plato's story was a fictional allegory, designed to teach us about the dangers of arrogance and greed. Others argue it's based on truth, pointing to real places where Atlantis might lie hidden. Some theories suggest Atlantis was the Minoan civilization on Crete, wiped out by a volcanic eruption. Others point to the Azores or Canary Islands as the possible site of the lost city. And some even claim that Atlantis could be buried beneath the ice of Antarctica after a sudden shift in the Earth's poles. Modern explorers have also searched for Atlantis. Some claim to have found evidence, like the Bimini Road in the Bahamas, where underwater stone formations seem to resemble a man-made road. Could these be remnants of Atlantis, or simply natural formations? The mystery continues to stir our imaginations. Atlantis has captivated minds for centuries. From novels and films to conspiracy theories, it remains a symbol of the pursuit of lost knowledge, hidden truths, and human ambition. But the question still lingers. Could Atlantis truly exist? And if it does, where is it? Whether it's just a legend or a lost civilization waiting to be found, Atlantis continues to fascinate and mystify. Will we ever discover the truth? Or will it remain one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries? Let me know in the comments what you think. Was Atlantis real or just an ancient myth? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing stories from the past.